Why men stay silent on that is a male ego. They don't speak up because they can't say that we have been beaten up by a woman.
Women can be cruel at times because not all the time that males are wrong, even females are wrong.
So even I accept that yes, even women can be cruel because we are into the 21st generation now.
At times it happens in life, in marriages, yes. It's not equal on both the sides. Sometimes it happens.
Hello, today we are here going to discuss the recent decision by the Delhi High Court granting divorce to the celebrity chef Kunal Kapoor on the grounds of cruelty by his former wife. We are hitting the streets of Mumbai to ask people what are their opinions and perspective. So let's go ahead. So we would like to know it from you that do you believe that women can be cruel in marriage, and do you feel that there are any laws addressing that?
No, I don't know about law anything, but I think it's very subjective question. And I am a married man, so I want to park this question.
Okay. So, ma'am, do you believe that there should be gender neutral laws in our constitution, because there have been few cases where men are facing harassment? So, what is your view on that?
Yeah, there should be equal rights and equal laws from both the sides, because like if men do, then it is into a big picture, like
Correct.
it is highlighted. But if at the same time, if women do something, it is not highlighted, or it is suppressed. So
Correct.
there should be equal laws from both the sides for
Thank you.
rights, for protection of rights of both the parties.
As a woman, do you feel that women can be cruel in marriages? Yes, women are, or rather, women can be cruel at times because not all the time that males are wrong, even females are wrong. And I really feel pity for him, or rather, you should actually alter things and check the background, what exactly happened, and only then claim someone as wrong. So women are wrong and you need to just alter things. So in our constitution there are no gender neutral laws. So do you advocate that? Of course, yes. If today's world, if we are fighting for women rights, why not fight for men right also? Definitely. So we would like to hear from both of you. What are your views that a woman can be cruel in marriages, and do you think that in our constitution there should be gender neutral laws?
Yes, of course, women can be cruel
Okay.
at times. It differs case to case, so they can be cruel.
Okay. And what would
Well, as you just quoted about a divorce being granted, so even I accept that yes, even women can be cruel because we are into the 21st generation now. So if we are gender neutral in all the occupations and all other fields, so
Why
I
not
think
here?
why not here? So it should be equal all across, not only in profession but also in law and other things.
So, sir, do you think that, so as we all know, men generally try to remain silent when they're being harassed, okay? So, do you think like how women have many rehabilitation centers and other centers where they can go and, just say their views and all of that? So, do you think men also should have those kind of centers where they can just, say and discuss what they're feeling?
Of course,
Okay.
it should be there.
Okay. And so, what about you?
Well, I don't think a separate kind of a committee or anything needs to be formed. Even if the law becomes neutral,
Yeah.
gender neutral, that would be taken care, and all these women organizations should also be shut.
So we would like to hear it from you. Do you think that women can be cruel in marriages, and do you know any law addressing that?
Actually, yeah, cruelty has no religion as such, and plus, I'm a lawyer myself.
Okay.
And as we can see, there are no laws that actually punish women.
Yeah.
All laws are gender agnostic, and each and every law that is, take it marriage or divorce or rape, anything, it only addresses male offenses, not anything related to women as such. So yeah,
Okay.
cruelty has no religion.
And do you think that so men, when they're being harassed, they generally try to remain silent on that part, and so do you think that like how women have several committees, okay, to address that? So do you think that men should also have the same?
Yeah, definitely. And one of the reasons why men stay silent on that is a male ego.
Yeah.
They don't speak up because they can't say that we have been beaten up by a woman. So probably that's one of the reasons.
Ma'am, we would like to know it from you that do you think women can be cruel in marriages, and do you know any law addressing that?
See, this is a very crucial question. I can't say anything, but yes, at times it depends on person to person. Women, I can't say because I'm also a woman, but at times it happens in life, in marriages, yes. It's not equal on both the sides. Sometimes it happens.
And also, just one last thing. So, men, when they're being harassed, they generally try to remain silent, okay? Like how women are so vocal about their problems, men are not. So, do you think there should be a separate committee for them to address that?
Yes, I think they should. There should be a committee for men as well, so that they can also express their views and their feelings. Because as you say, men, they don't say much.
Yeah. So, these were the views of people on this decision. But, viewers, we would love to hear your perspective. Do let us know in the comment section what are your views. Until next time, I am Anisha signing off.